Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, I will teach you on how to write a program that will ask the user to give a string using bash or born again shell, and then whatever the string or word that the user given, it will display on the screen. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for your support by watching, likes, comments and suggestion. I really appreciate it, and I will try to reply as soon as possible time once I read your comment. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. So I'm here in Nano editor, so we have your shebang. In this line of code, we already asked the user to enter a string, echo enter a string. Now the command for reading a string or number in bash is read, and then I declare a variable user underscore input, and then in this line of code we have a comment here, display the entered string, echo entered colon dollar user underscore input. That's it. That's very simple. So let us save our work. Ctrl X to exit. We will clear the screen. Okay, so bash show command bash string. Please enter a string Bacolod City. You entered Bacolod City. Another example, Jacob Samuel Pomperada. You entered Jacob Samuel Pomperada. Last example, Juliana Ray Pomperada are my children. You entered Juliana Ray Pomperada. That's it guys. No, that's very easy and simple on how to give and display a string using bash shell programming language. Thank you so much for listening and watching my videos. Please subscribe. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.